So hey guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error. The code execution cannot proceed because VCRUNTIME140.dll was not found. As you can see that I'm getting this error again and again on every Adobe product. If you want to fix this problem in your Windows, so watch the full video till the end. I am Vikas and you're watching VFX Vikas. Before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel. So now first of all what you need to do is open up your browser and then here search DLL. Click on the first link, which is www.dllfiles.com, and then here search for VCRUNTIME140.dll. After typing this, hit enter, and then here click on VCRUNTIME140.dll and then close it, and then scroll down, and here you will find two versions, 32-bit Windows version and 64-bit version. If you don't know what's your Windows version, 32-bit or 64-bit, let me show you how to check it. Click on Windows button and then here tap this PC. If you're using Windows 7 or Windows 8, just tap for computer and then right click on it, select properties. And then as you can see that I'm using Windows 10 64-bit operating system. So now I have to download the 64-bit Windows file. As you can see that here it is, 64 architecture, and then click on download. If you're using 32-bit Windows, download the 32-bit Windows file. After downloading this zip file, press Ctrl J to go to downloads and then here choose show in folder and then right click on the file, select extract to. After extracting this file, open that folder and then copy the .dll file and then open this PC, go to C drive, Windows, and here find system32 and open it. After opening system32 folder, right click on it, select paste. After pasting this file, your problem will be solved. Let me show you how to fix this problem in 32-bit Windows. Again go to that link and then here click on download architecture 32 and then after downloading this file, as you can see that here it is, right click on it, select extract to. After extracting this file, copy this file to system32. Let's check our problem solved or not. Then let's check our Adobe Illustrator is working, Photoshop is working, and Premiere Pro is working. As you can see that after pasting this DLL file to system32 folder, my problem is solved. So hope you guys like this video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you have any query or question, comment me down below.